Hi everyone, today we are going to assemble the babylo racing car walker. Make sure that you have all the parts. We have the crutch here, and we unfortunately we had already started to insert the rear car panel, which is this part over here. It goes in the rear like you call it. And then once you've inserted the rear car seat panel, you insert the crutch, which goes you see all these these 8 clicks in here. You're gonna click them around the seat. Thank you. You pull the crotch and it clicks in there. Make sure that it's 6 here too. You pull and you insert it there. There we go. So start with those rear ones because those are the hardest ones. And once it's done, go around and do that. So then we take the anti-slip, as you can see them, and insert them around here. Do not force it. Just be gentle. Okay. So I started from there. Push them. Be gentle. Last one. So there's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's we're done with that part. Raise the baby walker top tray until it clicks in place, like that. So it's clicked into place. We are going to assemble the tail panel, which is part G, into these holes until it clicks. Again, don't force anything, be gentle. Push it inside like that. Yep. And then it clicks till you hear the click. We need them. Otherwise, we won't be seeing what we're doing or how we're driving. And this one in here, so you can see the holes there. Insert the car wheels, the big ones goes behind until it clicks, and this one, the small one, goes in the front until it clicks, and do all sides. Clicked, small one, clicked. Yeah, unscrew this part over here with this toy. Unscrew this part over here, insert your batteries, and then when you're done, put it there. Okay, that's where it goes. I'm going to insert the front wheels, which are the white ones. Click in there. So you take the front wheels, which are all white, and you kind of screw them in here and in that one too. And that's our car already set, our car walker. It's already set now. And you can go ahead and let your baby use it. Thank you. Oh yeah, like, share and subscribe. Thanks, and see you until next time. Bye bye.